Coffee with the Editor is proudly brought to you by IRZ and the Railway Safety Regulator, RSR.
So Chuck, you're from Navis. Thank you so much for joining me here at African Ports and Rail Evolution here in Durban. I've known Navis from a port perspective and the shipping aspect, but I was quite surprised to hear about the rail side. So tell me more, please.
Great, thank you for letting me spend a few minutes with you on rail. Navis has been around for 31 years and we're the #1 provider of terminal operating systems for ports around the world. But many ports have on-dock rail. And for years and years we've had a rail product. We've got about 125 sites live around the world using our rail product. And a few years ago we've embarked on a broader company strategy to make the complete container supply chain more efficient. And part of that was to go into the intermodal space. And so we've made heavy investments in our rail product to serve not just the ports, but also intermodal terminals. And as part of this journey, if you look at the trends around the world, there's been a lot of effort put into automation of container terminals. And so with some of the big automation projects we've done, we've also invested a lot in our rail automation. So now we've got rail sites with completely automated container-mounted gantry cranes. The machines serving those cranes are automated, and our software is acting as the choreographer for the entire movement of the containers through these automated rail facilities.
In Africa, are you busy trying to still break into the market, or are you active in the African markets?
We're active in the African market. Transnet is our cornerstone customer here. We've been a provider for Transnet for many, many years now, and we do all of their container ports and many of their rail terminals as well. And so they've been running our software for years. We do see great opportunity. If you look at the African market as a whole, the growth rates are higher than what we'd see in North America and Europe. And so we are focusing more on this market because we do see great opportunity here.
If we had to talk about the fourth industrial revolution and the Internet of Things, two catchphrases that seem to be everywhere, where does Navis integrate into that, and what does the future hold?
What Navis is focused on is using digitization to help break down silos and help with data sharing. If you look at what happens across the supply chain, you've got many different entities, all have their own systems, all share their data and kind of hoard their data. And what we're focusing on is better tools for collaboration between participants in the supply chain and better sharing of data, because we believe those two things will allow the entire supply chain to become much more efficient.